Welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make chocolate fudge at home. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First I'm gonna roast some dry fruits. Here I have taken some almonds and cashews. You can take your favorite one. On low flame I'm gonna roast it till 4 to 5 minutes and then keep it aside. In a bowl I'm adding about 350 grams of dark chocolate. I'm keeping it in microwave for about 2 minutes. You can use double boiler method to melt the chocolate. Here you can see our chocolate has melted completely. To this I'm gonna add 50 grams of butter. This is at room temperature, and 100 grams of condensed milk. Again I'm gonna microwave for about 1 minute to melt the butter. You can see our butter has melted completely, and give it a good mix. You can see all the ingredients are well combined and mixture has turned out to this consistency. At this stage I'm gonna add roasted nuts. Again give it a good mix. To set the chocolate fudge I'm using plate. You can use a tin or a tray. Here I'm greasing the plate using butter and placing the foil paper in the plate to cover the plate so our fudge can be removed easily. You can use butter paper instead. Now I'm gonna transfer this batter to this plate. So I'm spreading this batter equally using spoon. Once done, cover it and let it cool down to room temperature. Then refrigerate it for about 1 to 2 hours and our chocolate fudge is ready. Remove the foil paper and cut it into pieces of your choice. Here I'm cutting it into square shape. Do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. But before that, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.